Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this beautiful big crochet basket weave. I want to make a scarf with this pattern, but you can make cowl. Maybe you can use this stitch on your sweaters, maybe you can use this stitch on your blankets. Where you want to use it, you can use. It's so simple. Believe me, it's so simple. Only you need to make triples. That's it. We always make front post and back post triples. That's it. It has a little tip I give it in the video. I hope you like it and you will try. I use a little thick yarn. This is, I think, 4. I lost it label. This is like that. This is 4, but you can. I want to give you some advice. You will choose your hook, especially not proper to your yarn. You need to choose your hook a little more numbers. For example, I can crochet this yarn with 4.5, but I use 5 millimeter. Maybe I can use 6 millimeter, but if I use 6 millimeter, it will be more salashy. But now it's okay for me. Not so salashy, not so tough. I like this touch. I hope you like it too. I want to show you another yarn like that. Here I use here 54 chains and its width is 30 centimeter with my yarn and 5 millimeter hook. Which yarn you want, you can use that. I want to show you with a sample. Okay. You will make your chains which width you want, but you will make your chains loosey, okay, not so tight. Grab your yarn, insert, grab your yarn. I made a slip knot, sorry, forgot to show it. Here. I made my chains and I hold it like that. After I will make 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, plus 6. Yarn over twice and skip this 6th stitch, insert into the 7th one, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, make triple. Yarn over twice, insert into the next one, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, make 2 triple. Chain 2, yarn over twice, skip 2 stitch, insert into the 3rd one and again make triples. 1, next one, 2. Chain 2, yarn over twice, skip 2, insert into the 3rd one, 1, next one, 2. The first row like that. Okay, chain 2, skip 2, insert into the 3rd one and make 2 triple in 2 stitch. Skip 2, do it again. Skip 2. I come to end, yarn over only one time. The last stitch I insert, grab my yarn, lose it. 1, 2, 3. I will finish like that. Here we start like that, finish like that. Again 1 2 3 4 5 6 chains and turn my work. Now here I will work with 2 front post treble. Insert my hook like that, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over twice. Next again front post treble, chain 2, yarn over twice. Next one back post treble, 1, yarn over twice, back to front, then back, grab my yarn, 1 2 3, chain 2, yarn over twice, here insert and make here 1 2, chain 2, next one back post, 1 2, 1 2 groups front post triple, next group back post, chain 2, I made here back post, now make front post, chain 2, now make back post, chain 2, make front post, yarn over, insert the top of the last stitch and finish with 1 2 3, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 chains and turn my work. Now yarn over twice and look here, I see here back post triple, so I will make here 2 back posts. Insert my hook front to back to front, then back, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, next one again back post, chain 2, yarn over twice, next one I see front post, so I will make here front post triple, 1 2, chain 2, yarn over twice, I see here back post, I will make back post triple, chain 2, yarn over twice, I see here front post, make front post triple, I see back post, make back post triple, I see front post, make front post triple. I complete and turn to you. I come to end, yarn over, insert the top of this. Actually this stitch double triple, this is triple, 1 2 2, okay, make you lose the double crochet, you can make it 1 2 3 4 5 6. That's the little point of this pattern is here. Now we have here 3 row. When you have 3 rows, you will change the stitch spaces, okay, twist them. When you see here front post, you will make here back post. When you see here back post, you will make here front post. Look at that. Yarn over twice. I see here front post. I will make 2 back post on it. Chain 2, yarn over twice. I see here back post. I will make here front post. Chain 2, yarn over twice, I see front, I will make here back, chain 2, I see back, I will make on it front post, I see here front, I will make back post. I see here back post, I will make front post. I see here front post, I will make back post. I complete after turn to you. I come to end, yarn over and finish with our stitch. 1 2 3 4 5 6. After turn my work and do the same thing now. Not change the stitch place, not twist. I see here front post, make front. I see here back, back, until we have 3 rows with these stitch places. Okay, make front, make back, make front, make back. Okay, which stitch I see, I will crochet it. Front, chain 2, here back. Here front, chain 2, don't forget chain 2, here back. I come to end, yarn over and finish the row. Pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Turn. This is my third row. You can see that 1 2. Now this is the third one. Again, which stitch I see, I will make it. Yarn over twice. I see back post, make here back post. Chain 2. I see here front post, make front post. I see here back post, make back post. I come to end, finish with usual. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now turn your work and look at that. 1 2 3 rows I have, so I need to change the stitch place. So I see here front post, I will make back post. I see here back post, I will change it to the front post. Every 3 rows you will change the stitch place. That's it only. Which length you want, which width you want, you can make your pattern. Chain 2. I see here back, I will make it front. When I will have 3 rows like that, I will change. This time I see here front, I will make it back. You can see here, this is the big piece. Every 3 rows you can change the stitch place, so you have like that big basket weave. I hope you like it and you will try. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your watching, thanks for your time. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.